to review a long brush head attachment. This is really nice, you guys. This is really nice. It has a charging base, like a whole stand. It comes with another little attachment that's like another brush head, but it's a lint-free. Can't wait to find out how to use all these attachments. All right, now we've got her all unboxed. It's time to put her together.
So the assembly of this Maircle vacuum was super easy, super straightforward, you know, very self-explanatory. And then each little knob on this stand has a picture of the attachment that goes there. So that's super nice that it, you know, it has a visual, so you're not second guessing. So right now I'm charging it up, but it looks super good sitting here in my room. I love that it has this stand, you guys. And as soon as you set the vacuum back on the stand, it's charging it again. So it's this awesome charging base, and it holds all the attachments, so nothing's going to get lost. You're not going to be looking around your house looking for the attachment that you need. So anyway, I'm going to let this thing charge up so that I can try it out. Some really cool features about this vacuum, you guys. The battery lasts 70 minutes long. It has a tangle-free floor and carpet brush, so it doesn't have like that mechanism that's going to get all of that nasty hair all tangled up in there. I love the green searchlight. It makes the dust show up more clearly, and it makes it really easy to clean like corners and stairs and cracks and baseboards and stuff underneath furniture. It has 3 speeds to use: low, medium, and max. I love that the display screen accurately displays the remaining usage time, so it tells you how long you have left to be able to use the vacuum, so I love that as well. I love that you can actually see the vacuum lines happening on this rug, because that's how good the suction is. I haven't had a vacuum that actually gave vacuum lines like this in a really long time, you guys. So I am absolutely loving that. I just feel like it's getting my rug extra clean. It works on the wood and the carpet seamlessly. You can literally just transition from one surface to the other with no problem at all. This vacuum also did a really good job on my sofa. It did a really good job of picking up pieces of trash off the living room rug. Not every vacuum picks up trash, you guys. It left my rug looking super clean. And take a look at this furniture attachment. This just might be my favorite attachment yet. I love how the cord thing is like super flexible, and then it has this flat brush that you can just glide along your furniture. Look at those dusty fan blades, and it took it off instantly. I love this thing. So make sure you look for it in my description box, guys. I thank you so much, Maircle, and thanks for watching this review.